Will the market crash next week? Will it shoot up? Nobody knows exactly. If the market falls, you have two choices. You can run away or you can take advantage of good opportunities. So here are 7 stocks that I consider to be great companies and very good opportunities to look at. I put the chapters right here. So if you want to skip to the ones you like, you can do it. And if you're an investor, I would love to hear your opinion. So feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, wow, so good. Where do you find the recipe?
Pinterest.
What? Oh, honey, this is so nice. Where did you get the idea from?
Pinterest.
That's the thing I really like about Pinterest. It's a social media platform and is directly related to the product. They have the potential to show you how to do stuff, and with just one click, you can buy everything you need to make it. Beautiful. They have strong revenue growth, they're beating EPS estimates, they're making significant progress with shopping, they're expanding super fast outside the US, but large investors are a bit disappointed with monthly active users. The expectations were at 480 million and they get 478. In my opinion, it's not that bad. Analyst estimates go from a low of 70 to a high of 107, and we're below the lows now. What can I say about NIO that has not been said yet? It's NIO. I love NIO. It's the main Chinese disruptor of the car industry. It's also a disruptor of the EV industry with the battery as a service. You can just swap the battery. Swap it. Change. Swap it. The largest auto markets in the world are China, the US, and Europe. And guess what? NIO is the Chinese EV king, and it's already coming to Europe. Yes, China is planning to have 25% of all vehicles EV by 2025. That's 4 years from now. I just don't see a future price below the hundreds. They have growing revenue, very soon to be profitable, new cars, new market expansion, and the best part, the battery as a service. It's different, and if they keep offering this great customer service, they will hook customers for life. The analysts estimate a low of 38 and high of 81, so we still have a long way to go. Like NIO, I can see a great future for Palantir. The previous video I released, it's about Palantir, and there are very interesting opinions in the comments, so if you want to check them out, I'll leave the link at the end of the video. CCIV or Future Lucid Motors. This stock has been surrounded with speculation. Is it merging with Lucid? Is it gonna merge tomorrow? Is it never gonna merge? Is it gonna partner with Apple? Yes, no. But that speculation doesn't take out the fact that Lucid Motors shows great promise with the great high-class electric vehicle, and it's planning to release it this year. Is it risky? Yes, it's a risky investment because they're still not merged, and when the time comes, the traders attack and the stock moves like there is no tomorrow. Not all EV companies will survive. That's why we should pick the best ones, the ones that have real potential. The next 2 stocks are being closely watched by large hedge funds. Are you the kind of person that always remains calm? Let me explain what JFrog do. Imagine you're late for an appointment and you're lost. You open Maps and it says, huh? You try again and it says, what? I freak out when this happens. Today, everything digital must be quick. And with so much data being generated, the companies need to improve the way to manage it, store it, move it, and analyze it. So companies need to be more efficient when releasing new updates. That's why many are going DevOps. That's where JFrog comes in. DevOps is basically developers, an operations team integrated through a platform. They improve efficiency and speed by automating workflows and monitoring performance. So the creating, writing, and releasing of new code works at the same time. They have more than 6,000 customers, including Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix, and my favorite one, a net retention rate of 130%, meaning that previous customers spend more every year. I love it. Analysts estimate a low of 50 and a high of 95. We're still below the lows. Large hedge funds really like this company a lot. Alibaba. But like with all Chinese companies, news and politics affect the price of the stocks. But why Wall Street like this stock so much? Let's see. Chinese people are consuming more and more, like us. So more than 1 billion people shopping online. It's just a huge market. The potential is huge and there is revenue to prove it. Now the stock price is far away from its peak because Jack Ma was missing. Yo, don't worry, I found him. Analysts estimate a low of 260 and a high of 338. We're still below the lows. Charge point. As you can see, I'm very bullish on EV, I'm very. But I'm not just buying the manufacturers, I want the whole package. The US government announced the construction of thousands of EV charge stations around the whole country. When this was announced, the stock shot up for a couple of days. A really nice volatility ride for traders. Yeah, baby! ChargePoint, being the largest one, already merged, seems very promising. Because in the future, all cars will be EVs and all cars can charge on a ChargePoint station. Analysts estimate a low of 28 and a high of 46. So we're below the lows. Uncertainty mode in the market, it's on. So don't rush on buying anything. Do your own research, and if you like any of these stocks or any other, just build in your position. Don't go all in at once. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. You're the one who decides. See you next time.